This is MB TV and welcome back to my channel. Guys, ngayong araw na to, syempre, magse-celebrate po tayo ng aking birthday. Kaya maraming salamat po sa lahat na tumutulong at sa lahat ng mga friends ko po dito sa Whitey World. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At syempre po, first time ko mag-celebrate ng birthday na tumapat sa Biyernes Santo. O, diba? Ang saya-saya lang. So, yun lang guys. Masaya lang po talaga ako dahil syempre po, magse-celebrate ako ngayon ng aking golden celebration. Kumbaga, 50 na po tayo. Ayan, halata na ba? Halata na ba talaga? So, yun lang. Masaya lang po talaga ako tong araw na to kasi syempre, alam kong maraming nagmamahal sa akin at maraming mga babati sa akin. Ayan, thank you po ng marami sa inyo guys. At gustong-gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung aking team magaganda at ang PMLO team na laging nandyan, sumusuporta, walang sawang sumusuporta sa akin. Ayan, maraming salamat po talaga sa inyo at lalong-lalo na kay Sisipia. Ayan, thank you po ng marami. At marami po kayong natutulungan ng mga tao. Ayan, I'm very proud of you dahil marami rin mga taong natutuwa sa iyo at marami kang natutulungan. Okay? At siyempre, may isa pa po akong gustong pasalamatan at hindi ko makalimutan ang aking isa sa mga team magaganda na siyempre, kumbaga, isang tawag ko lang, nandyan siya. Hindi niya ako tinatanggihan hanggat available yung oras niya. Nandiyan po siya lagi. Isang tawag ko lang, isang text ko lang. Pag sinabi ko, kailangan ko ng rescue, ayan, nandiyan po siya. Maliban na lang kung busy siya, sasabihin niya talaga sa akin, hindi ako pwede, may ganito, ganon. Pero gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo, walang iba kundi si Ate Malo. Ayan, si Ate Malo na very supportive. At talagang hindi kanya tatanggihan kung meron kang kailangan. Ayan, nandyan siya. At syempre, very supportive din guys. Okay? So, at syempre, yung lahat naman ng team, mga supportive talaga. Yung aking team magaganda, very supportive kahit mga busy sila. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hindi ko na isa-isa yung mga pangalan nyo. Okay? Alam nyo na kung sino-sino kayo. At syempre po, gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo yung mga lahat ng mga bumati po para sa aking birthday. Isa-isahin na natin at umpisahan na po natin ang mga babati. Hey dear!
Hello guys, good evening and good afternoon and it's me, Evelyn Hamilton USA. Batiin ko lang guys si MBTV. Happy birthday si MBTV. Ano na siya, golden na si MBTV. Ayan, happy birthday si and wish ko sa you good health. Mag-ingat palagi kasi alam ko palagi kayong lumalabas. So, mag-iingat and enjoy your day. And good luck sa ating channel. Konting hintay na lang sisi. Maibalik na yung ads sa YouTube. Ayan. Once again, happy birthday.
Hello everyone! Mega love shoutout sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon. So, nandito tayo ngayon guys dahil mayroon tayong babatiin na isang kaibigan natin sa Whitey World na nagsi-celebrate ng kanyang kaarawan. Na siya ay isang napaka-supportive din guys. Makikita natin siyang nagsusupport sa mga nagpi-premieres, nagla-live din siya. At saka pag once nanonood siya ng ating mga video guys, sigurado tayo na full watch talaga. Walang iba guys kundi si Sis MBTV USA. Ayan sis! Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana mag-enjoy ka today sa iyong special day. I wish you good health, happiness, and more blessings and more power sa iyong channel. Ayan sis, muli, happy birthday. God bless. Mwah!
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa lahat ng mga viewers ni Ma'am MB TV. Andito lang po tayo para babatiin natin ng happy 50th birthday. Ma'am MB TV sa ating nag-iisang MB TV na masayahin at laging nakatawa at laging nakahalakhak. Diba? Ma'am MB TV, wish ko lang sa'yo more subscribers and more viewers and long life and more healthy always. and more candles to blow. Yun lang ang sasabihin ko sa iyo, at kung saan ka man magta-travel, sa magtutour, lagi kang iga-guide ni Lord at keep safe always. Yun lang po. Happy birthday, Mami BTV. At pasensya na ha, kasi hindi ako marunong magbalak eh. Hindi ako marunong magano ng kung basta. Yun lang. At masaya ako at nakilala tayo sa Whitey World. At pareho lang pala tayong taga Surigao. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit, Mami BTV. Today is your birthday, a very special day. Yun lang. Hindi ko na alam kung anong kasunod. Happy birthday ulit, MBTV. Bye-bye!
Hello, good morning. Isang maganda ka sa araw na ito dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ikaw ang maganda. Mas maganda ka ngayon dahil birthday mo. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday sa'yo, MBTV USA. Ayan, regalo ko sa'yo with heart. Thank you sa lahat-lahat, sa mga as-in package lahat. Maraming salamat sa iyong health as-in full. Thank you very much. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa'yo ang inumin. Salamat. At ikaw ay nakilala ko. Blessing ka sa akin. Kayo lahat. Maraming salamat. I love you. Maraming salamat. At ito pa ang birthday ko sa iyo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa'yo. Happy birthday, MBTV USA. Ayan. Sa mga tawanan, tuksuhan, marami pang iba. Salamat sa iyong support, lalo na sa aking channel. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, sis MBTV USA. This is Gorgeous Jean. Hi, mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan. O, ayan, no? May pabati pa ako dito sa akin. Happy birthday, MBTV USA. And I want to say happy birthday to you, sis. And many more, of course. How old are you? O, diba? Ayan. And I want to say thank you so much for your support. Hindi lang para sa akin, and of course, para din sa lahat ng mga nasusuportahan mo with your LS and stuff. You're able to help everybody with their premieres and stuff like that. O, diba? Malaking bagay din siya. Anyway, so I just want to say happy birthday to you, sis. At alam ko marami pang babati sa'yo. Okay? Enjoy ka lang dyan. And may the Lord bless you always. Okay? Alright, mega love shoutout again, everybody. This is Gorgeous Jean. Babush!
Hello everyone, this is Mommy Onyx. Nais ko pong batiin ang ating kaibigan dito sa larangan ng Whitey ng maligayang kaarawan, Madam MBTV USA. Buong puso po ako nagpapasalamat sa iyong kabutihan at sa iyong suporta sa channel ni Mommy Onyx, lalo na sa programa pinamagatang Ang Liham ng Nakaraan. Naway hindi po kayo magsasawang subaybayan ang programa, lalo na ang channel ni Mommy Onyx. Buong puso po ako nagpapasalamat dahil kahit matagal na po kayong YouTuber, ay hindi nyo pa rin kami tinalikuran o pinabayaang mga bagong YouTuber dito sa larangan ng YT. Maraming salamat po, Madam MBTV, sa iyong mga advices, sa iyong suporta, lalo na yung time na nawala ang dollar sign ko. Which is, you give me courage na huwag mawala ng pag-asa, maging relax, maging kalmado, upang matugunan ang mga katanungan ni YT para maibalik ang aking monetization. Kaya buong puso ko talaga ako nagpapasalamat sa iyong suporta, Madam MBTV. Sana marami pang healthy birthdays na darating sa iyong buhay, nakasama ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay. At sana marami pang mga blessings na darating sa iyong buhay. And I believe na kung ano man yung desire na yung puso ay nakamit nyo na, binigyan na ng ating buong may kapal, lalong-lalo na yung peace, love, and joy. Maraming salamat po. Sana magpatuloy ang harmony sa iyong buhay na kasama ang iyong pamilya. Maraming salamat po ulit.
Hi, Sis MBTV. Oh my goodness, it's your birthday. It's your birthday, Madam. My goodness. Ang saya-saya ng birthday. Lahat yata ng mga people on earth ay bumabati sa'yo. So here I am, babatiin din kita ng a very happy birthday to you, my dear friend. Ikaw yung isa sa pinakauna kong mga friends sa YT world. So I have to treasure you, of course, being my friend. Hopefully naman ay, there will be forever friendship, right? Okay. And besides, the whole church, our church, will sing you happy birthday too. So, thank you so much. God bless you always. I love you, CCMB. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, CCMB TV USA. Wow, it is that time again. So you're sweet 16 again, huh? Or is it 18? I can't remember. I think it's 18. But anyway, I just want to greet you on your very special day, which is your birthday, and happens once a year. And so it's a big thing for all of us on our birthday. And it's great to have great friends that will give you a super duper awesome birthday greetings. And I'm glad that I'm honored that I am one of your friend that is doing this for you. And I am so happy and I'm so glad that I'm able to greet you on your very special day. And I hope that you have a great time, and I hope that you enjoy your life, and I hope that your hubby will take you out and give you a very special, memorable birthday. And it is so important for all of us. It's encouraging that we're still here, nice and healthy, and great looking. All right, so anyway, thank you so much, Cici. And the first time I met you, I thought, I have to study this girl because I don't know much about this girl. And I kept thinking, but anyway, the more I get to know you, the more I really love you. And I'm so encouraged, and I'm so encouraged, and so appreciate your support to my channels as well. And I'm always here when you need me. And I'm not always active, but I try to be, having 4 channels. And you know how that goes. So anyway, and good luck to all of us, with all our journey in YouTube. And I know that we go up and down, and obstacle course, kind of like. But anyway, we'll make it there, and it will happen. So thank you again, and I hope you have a very nice birthday. And I'm gonna sing you a birthday, and I really love you, and I really appreciate you, and all your friends. I appreciate them as well. We have a great team. We have a great community, and I hope that we continue to do that and to keep that. And I love our community. We have no problem, no gossiping, anything like that. We're all together as a team and as a community. So thank you so much. And I'm going to sing you a happy birthday, okay? So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CCMB TV. Happy birthday to you. Love you, CC. Bye-bye. Have a great time.
Ayan, hello po. Good morning po. Ayan, nandito lang po ako para bumati sa isa nating kaibigan. Pero bago ko bumati, pagpasensyahan niyo na po ang aking background. Ayan, dahil gabi na rin po at wala po akong time. Ayan, busy na rin ako. Ayan, super stress ang ating ngayon, life natin. Ayan, gusto ko lang bumati sa isa nating kaibigan na nagdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan. Sa isa nating kaibigan sa YT at isa sa team magaganda. Ayan, ang ating friend na very supportive, sexy at maganda. Siyempre, walang iba kung this is MBTV USA. Ayan, sa iyo sis MBTV. Ayan, binabati kita ng happy birthday sa iyo sis. Ayan, sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo. Naway bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. At syempre, enjoy na rin ang life. At syempre, ingat palagi. At naway matupad ang iyong mga pangarap. Sana dumami na rin at tumangkilik at mag-subscribe sa iyong channel at sa iyong mga pinagkakaabalahan. Ayan, sana'y lumago pa. Ayan, mas higit pa. Ayan, sana'y marami pang blessing dumating sa iyo at marami pang dumating na kaibigan sa iyo. Ayan, ingat palagi, enjoy lang ang life. At syempre, more blessings sis. Sana'y marami pang adventure ang mapuntahan mo. Ayan, happy birthday sa iyo sis MBTV USA. At syempre, shout out na rin dyan sa ating magaganda. Happy birthday sis MBTV. God bless. Bye-bye!
Hi everyone, this is MD168. Ngayon guys, I just want to say birthday greetings, golden girl na si MBTV USA. And I wish you all the best and stay healthy and sexy lang palagi. And thank you for everything you have done to all of us here who are also depending on you. Especially you help a lot of YouTubers because you're always there anywhere you go. At saka, salamat sa lahat, and I always had a good time hanging out with you. You are so much fun to be with. Very down to earth and very approachable. So guys, if you are not connected to MBTV, hala, connect na kayo dyan. She is very nice. Young lady, o diba? So, yun lang sis MB at salamat sa lahat. And just enjoy life. See you again one day. And ayan, nakakita ako ng my golden headband dito sa bowling. So, ginamit ko siya. So, wala akong lusot. Wala talaga akong yellow, guys. So, yan na lang ang headband kong golden, o diba? So, that's it for now. And happy birthday, Sis MBTV.
Hello everyone, hello YT World. I would like to greet a special person here in YT World. Ito po ay walang iba kundi si Sis MBTV. Siya po yung parang leader namin no, sa Team Magaganda. And one of the live stream queens that I know of here in YT World. So Sissy, happy forever young birthday, and I know you're blessed in so many ways, family, lifestyle, friends. So wish ko lang is that God may continue to shower with lots of blessings, and I hope that your success here in YT in YouTube will continue. More friends, more subscribers, more views, and that you will stay happy and healthy. So many people look up to you and supports you and love you, and I hope continue lang yung good vibes natin sa YT. So yes, yun lang. And parang ano naman, you're blessed na in so many ways. So ipagpatuloy mo lang, whatever makes your heart happy, go for it. Okay, so pasensya na kayo, hindi na tayo nakapag-ayos kasi kagigising lang. So idaan na lang natin sa flowers char. Alright, thank you Sissy sa lahat ng mga advice mo, and I'll see you around. Bye! Mwah.
Hello everyone, this is Mama Lou, and today I would like to greet happy birthday to a very, very special friend here in YT World, and she is like my sister, and this is Indie TV USA. In the Indie TV, happy birthday, and I'm so grateful na nakilala kita dito sa YT World, at salamat na hindi lang ang channel mo ang care mo, and you also care about us. Thank you Indie TV. You are a very good leader and a good teacher. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a good one. Thank you very much. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Tita MB Pretty. Happy birthday. Ayan, more birthdays to come. Wish you all the best and stay healthy as always, hindi lang sa'yo kundi sa whole family mo. Ayan, and more travels to come para mas marami ka pang may pakitang magagandang lugar sa amin, sa reels mo at saka sa YouTube mo, o diba? So ayan, sis MBTV, ayan, once again, happy birthday, and ayan, meet my little one na din, si Jacob. Say hi, Tita MB Pretty. Say happy birthday. So ayan, sis MBTV, yun ulit, happy birthday, and andito lang ako para sa'yo, ayan, pero silip-silip lang, alam mo na, may pinagkakaabalahan, o diba? So ayan, sis MB, bye, happy birthday, and enjoy your day.
Pati po ngayon guys ay ang aking kaibigan, hindi po siya YouTuber, isa po siya sa aking best friend sa Pilipinas.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa'yo. Ngayon ay birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya. Tulad ngayon, ikaw ay masaya. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang sapitin mo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday, sis. I just hope that you enjoy this special day. God bless you more. God bless your vlogging career. Enjoy it. Happy birthday uli. I miss you. Miss ka na ng barkada, sis. Guys, please follow, like, share, and subscribe MBTV. Ayan, pinromote ko na yung channel mo, okay? Enjoy vlogging! God bless!